Welcome to our science project. We are here to give you explanation on the topic onion cell. This is the image of onion cell. Explanation of the plant cell. It has cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuole. Onion plants. The bulb is the storage of the whole plant. Cell wall. Plant cell have cell walls. They are made up of cell walls. They protect the cells, maintain the cell shapes. Chloroplast. Photosynthesis is a chemical process that captures light, energy and transfer into useful chemical. Do onion cells have chloroplast? Onion cells do not have chloroplast because the onion is underground. Without light, chloroplast has no purpose. Preparing slides. The torn tissue used must be thin. The tissue must be flattened on the slide. Add a few drops of strain. Slowly cover the cover slip so there are no air bubbles. Stains. Animal cells are best stained with methane blue as it shows the nucleus wall. Plant cells are best stained with iodine as it shows the cell wall and nucleus wall. Conclusion. We can observe that onion cell looking under the microscope is a plant cell. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.